Within a week of President Mnangagwa's unexpected demotion of the Zimbabwe Army commander, the ruling party has abruptly pivoted, fast-tracking the political rise of controversial businessman Kuda Tagwirei in what appears to be a clear acceleration of his path to the presidency. Sana mashoko obuda panapa zvinzi aiwa Kuda Tagwirei panapa kuiswa mucentral committee kwaistiwa panguva ino aiwa is now skyrocketing akananga presidency. Sana mashoko abudanirwa panapa kuti wasubscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina panapa muzimbabwe nyora chiti. In his last national address, the war veteran held by the ruling ZANU-PF party for his military powers and accurate intelligence, Blessed Geza announced that Mnangagwa will soon be replaced by Kuda Tagwirei. The statement has revealed on the day of Geza's M31 demonstration that ZANU-PF Harare province has resolved to recommend Tagwirei's co-option into the party's powerful central committee, one of the most significant steps yet in embedding him within the party's top decision-making structures. Announcing the decision at a provincial coordinating committee meeting, ZANU-PF Harare chairperson Good News Masimrembwa said the proposal to elevate Tagwirei was unanimously endorsed and would be submitted to the party's Secretary General, Dr. Obet Mpofu. Masimrembwa described Tagwirei, a key Mnangagwa ally and financier, as a visionary business leader and an asset to Harare province, while the party's Harare Youth Chair Emmanuel Mahachi praised him for mobilizing resources and always being available in times of need. The timing of this move, coming just days after sidelining of General Valerius Vanda, points to a dramatic internal shift, suggesting Mnangagwa may now be clearing the path for Tagwirei's political ascendancy and tightening his inner circle ahead of the uncertain succession battle. Domashwa mudanyo panapa panguva ino yezvikuitika the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa the rise yaTagwirei. Nakupesa kushemedza mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.